All right, we made it to the Intercontinental Barclay in Midtown East. I'm gonna show you around. You see this room, it's like an apartment. Way better than my apartment. Let's go. You feel it? I don't know exactly if this is a buster. I don't know who this is supposed to be. First I thought it was Alexander Hamilton, but I don't know. Is this at the bottom? I don't think that's him. Jess LaFawn. Shout out to Jess LaFawn Art.
2015.
2015. Anyway, so here's a little hotel, like, living room situation. Kind of dope. Chairs look nice and soft and plush. We had a cup of brown liquor here. Have some fun. There's brown liquor there, but we ain't paying for it. Whatever. Now we're here in the, that's what people still say. They still say this is what the man cabins. I'm gonna spare that. Bed. It's pretty dope. Pretty plush. King size bed. Put another human being in between us. But we're not gonna do that. And we got the bathroom here. Little dope shower. Enough room to circulate, do your thing. There's some fancy Bio-Afrique conditioner and soap.
Byredo.
You heard him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, there you go. Good stuff?
Smells nice.
Smells nice? Okay, cool. Then, if you're a little bored, you gotta get your stretch on. If you gotta get your stretch on, you should go somewhere in get your stretch on, do some yoga. I don't do yoga. I don't even know if this is on the right side, but I'm sure some people do some shit. Shout out to all my yoga people, like this.
Do downward dog.
Which one is that? Is it this?
I think so.
Okay, do a little bit of that. Get your yoga in. I don't know if we're gonna find some time for that, but this is what it's for. All right. Sorry about that earlier. And then put this back in. Voila. And I think this lights up too, right?
Right.
All right. Here later. Yeah, that's the extended thing. And people don't take these robes home. I knew somebody would try to take it home. They do. They will find you.
Are the slippers comfortable?
The slippers are very comfortable. The thing about them, I wish they said R and L, because if you do this, it doesn't really matter. They're both, you got that awkward big toe thing if you got the wrong shoes on. But I think it's definitely right. But, you can go either way with these. All right. So overall, we stayed here before. Much nicer room this time. And, I think it's quality. It's like a real apartment. It's better than ours. Is shit working?